National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, west central Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, southern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shelter, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Henrietta, Shakota, Dewar, Shelter, Grayson, Council Hill, Hoffman, Hitchita, Pierce. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 249 and 265. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service